Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to remove copyright claim on YouTube. First thing you need to do is go to YouTube Studio, Content, and find the video with the claim. Then click Copyright Claim and the restrictions. You'll now see options to trim out segment, removes the exact portion that was flagged, works best if the claim is short and doesn't affect any key content, easy, quick, and automatic. Also, you can try replacing the song, replaces claimed music with free tracks from YouTube's audio library. Drawbacks, replaces all audio including voice or dialogue in that section. And finally, mute song, mutes only the copyrighted audio in that section, tries to preserve your voice and other non-music elements. Accuracy may vary depending on how the music is mixed. Some extra tips: don't ignore claims, they may escalate to a strike. If your dispute is rejected, you can appeal, but the risk increases. Also, use YouTube audio library or royalty-free sources to avoid future claims. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.